I have always been extremely interested in interior design. I remember watching HGTV before I went to kindergarten each day, but it was always something that scared me because it's you putting yourself out there and being open to criticism and judgment. I would want to give advice to the student who isn't sure if this is possible for them or if this is too scary. And I would tell them to do it, and we will welcome them with open arms and encourage them in every way possible. Not be afraid and not doubt myself and just jump off the cliff and go for it. But Heritage teaches us the technical and practical skills that we need to take those innate design skills and lead us into a career in the interior design industry.